All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have ourselves a fun little surprise, as in my third freaking keyboard.
Not the last.
Not the last, though. This is the third one. It's not the last. So we got an... Can't even see the damn thing. We got an AKKO keyboard. Cinema, indeed. So, I have two keyboards. I have a Keychron Q6 Max, and I have a Keychron H8 HE 100. They're both 100%. And this one is a 75%. I wanted to get a small one to try it out for work, specifically. So I have like a keyboard for my desktop, and I have a keyboard for work, per se, right?
Yeah.
And I've always wanted a wooden keyboard. So I now have a wooden keyboard from AKKO. What I've heard is that wooden keyboards are very thawky.
Oh yeah, we're gonna find out.
Very thawk. So I thought, why not try one? So I was between several different types, but this one is the MUO2. It's the 75% one with a knob, because there's MUO1. That one does not have a knob, but it's a more compact 75%. This is a more larger, wider 70, like a full 75%, not compact 75% keyboard. So we're gonna open it. So here's the box, right? AKKO. It's just a black box, basically.
Ooh, it came with a white.
Oh, you get a microfiber cloth. Oh, that's pretty nice.
Ooh.
You get a.
Ooh. It's very nice, actually, with that.
You get a manual.
Yeah, because you need to learn how to set up a keyboard.
Oh, I love that feeling.
It's Japanese, I think.
It's a Japanese brand. So.
Oh.
Cables.
Oh, it's just the thing, a black styrofoam. Nice.
So first. What?
Nice and quiet. I like it.
Oh yeah, I like it.
Nice and quiet.
Oh, I love it. Oh my, I love this.
Whoa, there's only metal in there. Wait.
Okay.
It's much more muted than your keyboard. And my keyboard is much more muted than my keyboard's kind of loud, dude.
I know, I like it though.
You like how loud? I don't like how loud mine is. I like how nice and chilly it is.
So we get a box of rectangle of stuff. So you get replacement switches. These are cherries. They're cherry. They're pink.
Makes sense. Cherry switches.
Like the Sakura cheese in Japan. Sakura.
My switches were white.
The fuck is this? Oh, this is for taking out the keycaps. Although I already have one from Keychron, they're way better. You get the USB dongle thingy mabobber.
Connect USB.
You get a switch puller. This is for the switches, not the keycaps. It's for the switches. And then you also get
whoa.
You get another.
Whoa, yeah, that's a metal thing.
Wait, so what the hell? What the hell is this for? I don't know what this is for then. But this is the cap pull, the keycap pull.
Yeah, that makes sense. The other one's probably just.
And you get a cable.
That's
Obviously,
the
plug it.
connection.
Yes, and this keyboard, yes, is RGB. I don't think it's Bluetooth.
That's fine. You only really need the wired for desktop
I
and
only
USB for laptops.
I only care for wired.
You can even do wired for laptops. Well,
So-
that'd be weird. But yeah.
I would do wired for laptops regardless, because this is meant for work. It's a transportable. It's transportable. That's the point. That's the plug-in thing.
It's way lighter than dude. This is air compared. Mine was titanium. It was like crushing.
So this is the. So this is it. They're not gonna hear it. I have to put it against the microphone. So it's walnut wood. Ooh, shit. The case is walnut wood. It's
First
really,
and last
I really
day
like
with
it.
the new keyboard.
So yeah, MUO2 AKKO, or if you want to do Japanese, AKKO.
This video is not sponsored.
It's not sponsored.
But you could be if you're watching.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I wonder. But yeah, I love the style of the keyboard. It's really nice. I mean, obviously, when you look at the freaking keycaps, it's pretty nice. You got your knob. Oh, wrong. This is your escapee. This is your knob.
Oh. Nice. This one.
Damn. Oh, that's gonna mute my stuff. So here, let's do a sound test. I have to pause.
That's so much louder.
It's pretty good. I like it a lot. So yeah, I mean, it has RGB as well. If I can plug this in somehow. Give me a sec. I'm gonna plug this in.
2 keyboards attached to one computer. I wonder what happens.
I'm gonna plug it into I'm plugging it into the Thunderbolt down there.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh, yours comes with a nice cable management thing. Mine was the cheap black thing. That's actually reusable. That's nice. T-pose.
So I plug this in back here. So this is the default color scheme.
Purple.
It's like a purple. It's a purple right now. But you can change the colors, obviously. It's through the software VIA. It's I have never tried. I've only used Keychron's browser web software, so I'll have to try it. But it's the same stuff. You can obviously change the colors and everything, control the RGB, all that shenanigans.
I'm sure the people watching this, their keyboard heads would know what VIA is. It's the most popular, right?
Yeah. It's. Is it open source? I think it's open source.
It has to be, because my keyboard connects to VIA and it's a different manufacturer.
But yeah, if you're wanting a wooden keyboard, this one's pretty good, I would say. 75% walnut wood keyboard, Japanese style keycaps. Yeah, I would recommend it. I think it's pretty nice. I have to use it though, but off of reviews that I've watched and now having it, it's nice and compact and small. It has the knob, which to me is a big selling point. I need knobs. I mean, literally. So, but yeah, it is a beautiful artistic keyboard,
Just like us.
just like us. And yeah, I recommend it.
Sponsor us, AKKO.
We're never gonna get sponsored. All right, I'll see you in the next keyboard review whenever I do the next one.